Though your heart is aching, smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by if you smile. Through your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you.
Hey guys, it's Jbunzie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replicate 2019 Joker's makeup using instructions given by the film's makeup artist Nikki Letterman. Let's go. So Nikki started off by using a white grease paint for the face. I'm applying Mayron's Clown White, which is a famous product used by real clowns worldwide, and to apply it I am using a sponge so the coverage is even. When applying it, make sure you don't cover about an inch below your hairline and make sure it blends into the uncovered skin almost like a seamless mask. Next, be sure to powder down the face so the makeup doesn't smudge too much throughout the day. I am using the Dermablend translucent powder to set it. Now grab face paint. Nikki specifically used water-activated face paints, so I am using the Mayron Paradise water-activated palette. For the blue triangles Joker has, Nikki mixed blue and green paint to get a specific shade of blue, and you want to apply the triangles free-handedly and imperfectly. To help you roughly map out the width of the triangles, the top triangles begin at the beginning of the eyebrow to the middle of the eyebrow, and the bottom triangles begin from each corner of the bottom eyes, making sure the left eye is longer and drippier than the other. Moving on to the nose, Nikki used red and black paint mixed together to create this dark red, and you just want to outline the tip of your nose and fill it in. For the eyebrows, begin by drawing a circle and then give it a short arched tail to get the shape. Next is the lips. First, paint your regular lips with the red and black mixed paint. Then create a line at the divot of your chin, and then begin drawing the smile upward to the middle of your cheek. Then connect all the lines together and fill the smile in. Again, be sure not to make this look perfect. As the finishing touch, take your finger and very lightly smear the eyebrows, the blue triangles, and the smile to give it that worn look. Moving on to the hair, Michael's hair is actually already green, so we're just going to style it, but if your hair isn't green, you can use a wig or a green hairspray, and you just want to push all the hair back and behind the ears and then scrunch it with gel to get those wet curls Joaquin Phoenix has. And here's the finished look. Now for the costumes and the makeup, I'm going to leave all the products down below in the description box so you guys can get the exact same look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a funny thumbs up and subscribe if you want more costume and cosplay content like this. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so I can see you in my next video.